Today's video is going to be an encouragement to the person who feels like they just don't have enough to make it, to the person who feels like they don't have enough cash to stuff, or they don't have enough money for sinking funds or anything like that. Today, this video is all about you. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. If this is your very first time here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If you are a returning bestie, hey girl, hey. So let's hop into it. If you guys checked out my budgeting video, my last paycheck in 2023, you would see that was a pretty bare bones budget. The only thing that wasn't bare bones about the budget was the fact that I am paying off debt. I don't know if that's considered bare bones, but normally bare bones is paying your mortgage, paying your four walls, which is your rent or your mortgage, your food, your utilities, and things like that. So it's not like totally bare bones, but usually what I take out in cash for sinking funds and household products and toiletries and things like that, I wasn't able to necessarily do that in this paycheck because I am running a little low. So things happen like that in life, and your finances will go up and down. And I want to encourage you to not feel down on yourself or feel like a failure because you're in a down season or you're not able to cash stuff loads of cash. I actually went back and forth with myself on recording this video because I'm only stuffing 2 envelopes. I am stuffing $345, but it is amongst 2 envelopes. So I kind of thought to myself, what's the use to record a whole video and I'm only stuffing 2 envelopes? But then I was also convicted, and the answer was because you're here to show real life. You're here to show the ups, the downs, the lows, the highs. And that is the reason why I'm gonna record this video anyhow. Just to let you know, you don't only stuff your envelopes when you have a whole lot of envelopes to stuff. You don't only stuff envelopes when you just have sinking funds, etc. You take a look at your budget and you look and see what the priority is, and at that time, whatever the priority is, that is what your focus will be on. You may not be stuffing any envelopes, and that's totally okay. You are still on the right track. So let that be an encouragement to you. This video probably won't be too long because, like I said, I only have 2 envelopes to stuff, and I don't want to just prolong the video for nothing. But I did want to show up and show this example of the very thing that I talk about all the time. I've showed you guys my journey with paying off my past due bills and paying them to current, and now on my debt-free journey, I want to show the full well, I guess it is an experience, but I want to show the totality of the journey of being an adult, right? Adulting is a ghetto, but it's okay, and we can do it. And so let this be an encouragement to that person, because last month I think I was stuffing envelopes on envelopes, and now I'm down to 2. So let's count our money to make sure it's here. I'm sure it is, but let's just make sure I didn't spend any of it. So I'm actually going to just lay the money out here. So $100 bill here, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, and 5. So I am going to be stuffing my grocery envelope and my debt envelope. So I have my daily wallet here. This wallet is from So Crafty Sana, and these pearl charms was from Temu, and I did a collaboration with them. And I don't think I have any money left in any of my envelopes here, so totally okay, nothing to unstuff. So I'm gonna be stuffing $200 in my grocery envelope, and that is going to be, what is that, 10 20s? 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. Yes, so this is $200 in groceries. My envelope. Oh no, my envelope is messing up. I need to make another one. Okay, so that's everything in this envelope here. Oh no. So that's everything in this wallet here. Next is my envelope where I am saving for December's debt payment. And in here I have, let's see what I have. 120, I have 145 in here. So we're adding 145. And that gives us, what is that? 145 times 2 gives us 290. I think I kind of knew that. But I just wanted to make sure. So $290. This is what I will be paying towards my debt. So 120.45. Let's see. 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90. So $290 to pay off debt in the month of December. We're in December. I also need to consolidate, or I need to take this envelope out. I'm probably gonna need to take the HOA envelope out as well, because I did make a decision to go ahead and have my HOA direct deposited into my mortgage account. If you guys didn't check out that video where I talk about categorizing, or organizing rather, your bank accounts, you want to check that video out, because there I talk about how many accounts you should have, how many bank accounts you should have, and for what reason. So I also did another video where I talked to you guys about my savings challenges. And I have a goal in the year 2024 to save $3,000 that will go towards my emergency savings. So I am going to be doing that using a savings challenge. And that is going to be this savings challenge here. So the money that I have in this savings envelope will actually now go into one of these envelopes. I wonder if I should start from scratch. What do you guys think? Should I start from scratch? Yeah, because, yeah, I'm gonna start from scratch. So I just thought about it. I'm gonna leave this in here, and I am gonna start from scratch. What I was gonna do was take this money and then apply it here, but then I wouldn't be saving $3,000 for the year, right? Yeah, so never mind. Never the mind. But what I am gonna do is I'm gonna put this here, since this is my saving wallet, or binder, my savings binder. I'm gonna put that there. So make sure you guys tune in tomorrow. I will be completing my debt payment for the month of December, and hopefully I'll be able to highlight in a line on the jar. But make sure you guys tune in for that video. I'm excited for that video because I will be doing an update on my credit score. So the last time I checked, it was in, I think, September. So I know that I have gained some points, and I want to check and see how many points I've gained and how we're looking. So make sure you tune in for that. That is pretty much it. I just want to say that I hope that I have said something today to someone to encourage you to keep going, to keep on the journey no matter what it looks like. So just, you know, stay encouraged, keep your head up, and no matter the obstacle, trust God and move forward. I will see you guys in the next video. Go be great. Peace out. you.